What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys regarding the new YouTube monetization rules that were or will be implemented come February 20th. I feel like I'm compelled to make this video because no more than I think a week or two ago I just posted another video, how much can you make as a small YouTube channel. And obviously with this email that we all just got, it kind of just, eliminates the need for that video completely. So I just want to take a few minutes to talk to you guys about, what's going on and the differences. Last week here, I'm going to read the email to you guys just really quick so you understand what's going on. So it says under the new eligibility requirements, basically you need a new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. As well as a minimum of 1,000 subscribers for your video to be eligible for ads or to make any sort of money. So that was the email that we all got that will come into effect February 20th. Now, how will this affect small YouTube channels? I see why YouTube is doing it. They want basically a smaller pool of videos that they have to monitor in terms of what ads go on whose videos. Probably because of all this Jake Paul stuff that's been going on, who knows. However, I don't really feel like it's going to be hitting, affecting any sort of larger YouTube channel. They hit those requirements very easy. This is honestly affecting all the smaller channels that are just trying to get going, trying to gain the subscriber count, very similar to this channel. Now, obviously 1,000 subscribers is not really an easy feat to get, especially with kind of a niche channel like this one. If you're doing more broader range videos, it may be quite a bit easier. For me, however, it's not. So in the end, this is kind of just affecting the small YouTube channels that are trying to grow, and it's not the be-all end-all because, like I said, I'm just doing it for fun. So the fact that now I can't have ads on my videos is not the end of the world, and I'm still going to continue to make videos. But it is a little bit discouraging, even though, obviously in my last video that I posted about it, I was making, what, $22 or something like that. So it wasn't an insane amount of money. But it's still a little bit discouraging knowing that, okay, well now I have to, reach this new high goal. And the 4,000 hours of watch time is not too big of a deal. I think that's actually pretty easy to achieve, especially in a year's time. And the 1,000 subscribers is definitely the harder part of that equation. So obviously I'm not a huge fan of it, but I'm not going to stop making videos because of it. I don't think it's going to really affect any of the bigger channels out there who already have more than 1,000 subscribers. But I could definitely see some people, seeing that and saying, well, forget it, because now, what's the point? If you're doing it for the money, then maybe it was better to weed you out anyway. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video just to put it out there if you guys didn't know about this new rule, or whether you care about it or not. If you don't post YouTube videos, you probably don't care about it, right? But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to make this video to kind of help clear up my previous video, since now how much can you make as a small YouTube channel is basically a big fat zero unless you have those 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to touch on. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help me get to that 1,000 subscriber goal now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.